The drug dealers, the criminal element is becoming organized, and our response needs to be organized as well.
Northwest Territories Chief Public Health Officer Cami Candola says young people are a target for drug dealers looking to grow their customer base, and drugs are more contaminated than ever before. Public health is turning to education and prevention to protect youth from the risk of drug fatality. She says from 2016 to 2024, there were 31 opioid-related deaths in the Northwest Territories. And these drug deaths are no longer isolated into clusters or just one community.
We have had 5 opioid-related deaths in 4 different communities. So what that is showing to me is it's not just a matter of a bad batch of contaminated crack that's going around that can put people at increased risk, is that we're starting to see a mainstreaming of drug activity.
Public health will ramp up education for kids in schools about the risks of substances and how to administer naloxone and reverse overdose. Tammy Robertson heads up Home Base, a Yellowknife-based youth organization. She says the best form of prevention is supporting youth so they don't face homelessness and addiction in adulthood.
They're quite vocal in what they need. And I think they need somebody to be there for them regardless. If they make good decisions, if they make poor decisions, if they relapse, they need somebody that they feel safe to share those conversations with. That unconditional support is what our youth needs specifically.
Home Base recently worked with public health officials to establish a sobering space for youth, and a new van service now runs until 3 a.m. and it serves people 12 years of age and up. 2 support workers will walk the streets 5 hours during the day, building trust and connecting youth to resources. That includes outpatient programming focused on recovery skills.
Keeping them talking, keeping them engaged, I think is our best approach to keeping them alive, because we definitely don't want to see any tragedy here.
Dene National Chief George McKenzie says many people struggling with addictions have been or are in the foster care system. He says young people and adults alike are affected by the crisis.
We are beyond telling our stories. Now it's time to formalize a tangible plan, concrete plan.
26 leaders are invited to the Dene Nation meeting next week. McKenzie says that their leaders will lay their plans for a task force on drugs, and in a few weeks' time, they'll bring their proposals to Ottawa. They'll also discuss establishing Indigenous policing here in Denendeh. That meeting begins on Tuesday. Avery Zingel, CBC News, Yellowknife.